All right, everyone, so we're gonna go over the first one of the 4 power kicks, which is front kick, side kick, roundhouse, and back kick. We're gonna go over the front kick first. So I am a personal believer, and this is what I got from Jun Reef by doing the count kicks. I think there's so much power into to knowing the count kicks, especially in the beginning. So I always have the students hold a rail or something for support. So I'm gonna do 4 count front kicks. So bring your right hand to your face, please. There you go. So 1, bring your knee up. Good. So that's your initiation. 2, kick, and this is a common mistake people do, is the flat foot. So what I usually do, correct them, relax your ankle, there you go, see? Now hit them with the ball of your foot, right? 3, recoil. So we have the explosion, we have a recovery, then we come down, all right? So it doesn't matter what kick we're doing, we're always gonna have those stages, initiation, explosion, and recovery. So you can do these in 4 counts, you can do it in 3 counts. Right now we're gonna concentrate on 4 counts. So 1, bring your knee up. 2, do a front kick with the ball of your foot. 3, recoil, and 4 down. For right now, especially for the beginning stages, doesn't matter how high. I'd much rather you go lower, but look at your target. And that's what we get into. What's the difference between looking and seeing something? Have you ever been on a trampoline? What happens if you're on a trampoline, if your eyeballs look that way, the whole body will go that way, right? So I don't want you to be able to see the target. I want you looking at the target, right? So again, 1, knee up. 2, front kick, ball of the foot. 3, recoil. 4, put it down. So obviously we do that on both sides. Then we go to actually doing it, once we get the basic idea, then we try to do it in the air. So stand this way more, fighting stance. So we're gonna do the same thing, right? So instead of doing it 1, 2, 3, 4, which is much more difficult right now, you can just do it in 1 motion. Ready? Go. So kick, recoil. Good. So in the beginning stages, I don't go so much over the snap and a thrust, even though there's distinction or a push kick. There's many distinctions, but for right now as a beginner, I would recommend just the knee up, kick, recoil, come down. We use the language of the count kicks as a teaching tool. So we say, you're missing 1. What does that mean? That means you're not bringing your knee high enough. If I say, oh, you're missing 3, oh, that means I'm not recovering, right? So it's a great teaching tool. Go ahead, do a front kick again. Good, go back. There you go, one more time. Good. So now, in our system, that's something that I personally believe, is that we don't switch stance. So we don't go to southpaw. So if I want you to kick, I want your left shoulder still forward. I want you to switch feet, then kick with the left foot. Ready? So switch kick. There you go. Good. Go back. So when we do kicks, so if I ask you guys, okay, I want everyone to do front kick 10 times. Already in your head, you're thinking, I'm going to do 1 right, 1 left. Then I'll do it 10 times. I don't want you to do 10 right side, then do 10 left side. There's many reasons for that. We're not going to get into that right now. But for right now, we just want to make sure everything is done right and left, right? So just like I learned this from Guru Santo, is that he said, you know, why do people just teach one thing one side, then the other side? And his thing is, when your child starts walking, do you teach him right leg only, right? It's just kind of the same thing, right? So anyway, so I'm going to hold the bag, which we went over how to hold the bag before. Ready? So he's going to do a front kick. Go. Go back and right away the other side. Good, right? So again, you can go forward or you can go back, depending to, you know, where I am, okay? So again, one more time, front kick. Good, and switch kick. There you go, good. Notice he's looking at me straight in the eyes, not looking at the bag, right? So there's your basic front kick. And this is the first of the series for the 4 power kicks, which is front kick, side kick, roundhouse, and back kick.